Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So basically, I'm going to be showing you how to get tarantulas, very simply, how to catch them, and how to get, like, an island. I know there's a lot of videos out there, and I will do one on scorpions once, like, next month, or whenever they start coming out for the northern hemisphere. So basically, all you want to do is basically go to a Nook, get a Nook Miles ticket, and just completely wipe the island. Basically, you just have to take out all the flower buds. There's a tarantula right there. He's gonna go away now. He's gonna kill himself. Or not. I'll show you how to catch him, since he's right there. He's probably gonna despawn, but... So basically, you want to try to... So whenever he has his legs up, their legs up, you kind of want to stop. And once they put them down, you kind of just want to keep on moving. And once you're close enough to catch him, I kind of wonder how he's actually on water. I think this is good. I'm gonna try, and yep, and you caught him. So that's how you want to catch him. But to clear the island, you want to collect all the flower buds. You want to remove all the trees. Palm trees are okay because they're part of the beach and they don't take up as much room. You want to try to scare away as many bugs as you can. And you want to try to, like, remove all rocks. You want to remove trees, rocks, anything that can, like, won't allow you to move past them. It can cost room if you do decide to pick up the trees, as I did. I should really decide not to do that. If you do decide to do that, for just the sake of an axe, just drop them on the beach. Even though you can't actually do that. I mean, if you actually normally plant them, but you can kind of just put them in an area. I see that I can't for some reason. On the beach, I don't know why you can't, because you're normally allowed to. For normally planting, but for just picking them up and throwing them on the beach, you can't do. So yeah, like 1 or 2 trees, it's fine. I'm horrible at putting my tablet in between my legs just to record, so... Another thing you don't want to do with catching tarantulas, unless if you're really good at it, you don't want to have your, net out, because that'll cause them to get angry and start chasing you. And unless if you do the thing where you make a little hole, make a lot of holes around you and go in the middle, because you can just jump over holes. You could do that too. That doesn't really help or anything, because they can walk out into the little sides. I don't prefer to do that, so I'll show you what to do. Since I already wiped out my island, there's no this random island. There's no point in kind of showing you how to do it. So I'm just gonna walk around, since running around is not a good idea. I'll show you a technique that you can do to get away from tarantulas. So watch me being an idiot. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to kind of get them away distance. You can do it like this, and you're going to actually fool them and make them go into the water. I did this like twice, but you need them to try to make them a distance away. Like a good distance away, by just running away for a while. Like, yep, like that. And that's how you can get away from them if you don't have the little holes, and if you accidentally accidentally make them pissed off and go after you. So, elsewords, yeah, it's not that hard to actually catch them. So yeah, I hope I helped you or something. Catch tarantulas. There is a Nook Mile thing. That actually allows you to. That actually requires you to get hurt from one. You just basically have to faint from them. I think it also happens with the scorpions too. It most likely would, since they both knock you out. And FYI, just so you know, if you get bitten on the Nook Mile or on the random islands, you will not be sent back to your normal islands. You'll go into this area right over here, like with Wilbur, or I think it's Wilbur. Yeah, Wilbur. Okay, no. So yeah, that's all you have to do. And goodbye, humans.